downright dropped. That was 5 years ago. They was sleeping on my floor while I was sleeping on the floor. Talk about struggle because I didn't be there before. And I hustle because I'm scared of going broke. I show love, ain't no telling who the next to go. When they killed my son's father, he was in my arms. They tried to blame me because his blood was on my palms. Give my son everything but what them niggas took from him. Then they assassinated Z a couple months later. I remember speeding to the scene thinking we could save him. To the niggas who did it, how much that nigga paid you? They know it's murder, fuck a statute of limitations. Got at him and hit him, bullet almost hit his baby. They ain't give a fuck, this shit be crazy. Could've had them all in the same night, but Jig caught it off, said get money, do it right. Alright, 2 years later, still on papers for a charge that I took for my nigga. I'm a bitch, I see the pussy in niggas. Mark, remember when you hit Danielle for the rooms? When me and my kids were sleeping in that Chevy Cruze? AJ Red, remember when I had that photo shoot when Channel 5 came and interviewed me about Coop? Had shootouts with Vaughn, I'm in the back seat. Then that nigga showed up in court, man, I couldn't believe it. Jig, remember when Dawg said he wouldn't fuck with me because of you? In the bread too, they all turn their backs, now they hitting U-turns. Ball in my hand, bitches whose turn? Yeah, you know it's mine now. Hey, you ain't gotta tell them, let them find out. When shit got real, that's when they left out. You watch me starved, I was blind now. You see the signs now. Now I'm bad, like a bad head, with my shoes fast and take them out the back of the caddy and put them in the casket. Fuck them out his package to make her go catch a taxi. Have you ever seen a savage really live lavish? Baby daddy said I won't go be shit but average. Now I told a nigga he can come handle my baggage. Killing them with every syllable, they make it minimum. I treat it like a miracle, they act like he invisible. They prayed on my downfall. Yeah, I probably failed, but I ain't never fall off. How the fuck they running shit with their heads off? And tell that bitch to stand down, cut her legs off. See the top is my territory, a block is mandatory. They giving you allegory, my shit from the laboratory. After the losses, after the crosses, I'm still making deposits. I'm with the bosses up in my office, so bitch staying potted. I'm psychotic and something is out, they riding with narcotics. And I'm solid, they switching the topic while I'm switching profits. Rich gang shit, you can't campaign this. Not my first day out, but it's my first foot in.